Hello children, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. Children, we have successfully completed our first lesson, okay? And we are in the topic called second lesson, a globe, a model of the earth, okay? Children, we know everyone, globe is in which shape ma? Globe is in spherical shape. What is that? Spherical shape. Not circular, spherical shape, okay? So we are coming to here and earth rise on the moon. Children, whatever the land, this white area you are seeing, this white area is called moon. This area is called earth. We are seeing the view from moon, the earth view from moon. If you are went to on the moon, okay, here, if you went on the moon here, if any person is standing here, okay, that person can easily see like this. The earth is looking like that, okay, from moon, okay. When you are seeing from earth, we know very well, every day we are seeing in night times, okay. Okay ma, this is a picture, this is a earth, okay. Whenever we are seeing earth from moon or on moon, okay, we will find earth like this, okay. And whenever we are seeing moon from earth, we know every day we are experiencing that. Night times, the full moon, new moon, okay, we will find easily that night times on in sky, okay. Coming to our topic, doesn't the earth look like a blue moon? It looks blue because a large portion of the earth is covered with oceans. In the above photograph, we can see only one part of the earth which receives sunshine. Okay, children, we know that very well. The sun is like this. Sorry, this is sun. Okay, this is earth. Okay, this is earth. Whatever the sun rays falling on earth, okay, up to this area is going to get sunlight ma, okay. What about this backside area? This is all over the earth, okay. The backside area of the sunlight which is not present in the backside of the earth, we will feel, that person will feel, that type of people will feel that dark, it means night time, okay. These people are experiencing night time. The people who are existing in that particular area, these people are existing or experiencing daytime. Once again, I am giving clarity to you ma, don't confuse, okay. This is sun, okay, this is earth, okay. The sun rays is directly falling on the this side of earth, okay. And the people who are residing in this side, they are feeling that daytime. Why? Because they are receiving sunlight from the sun. But the back side of the earth, it means this side, they doesn't receive any sunlight ma, okay. What they will get ma? They will get only dark all night, okay. Whatever the dark thing is there, that we will call it as a night time, okay. Evening 7 onwards we are getting the darkness, no ma. The darkness is nothing but night time. It means we are not at all getting sunlight, that's all. Is it clear ma? Now we are seeing sun, no. Why? Because the sun rays are directly falling on earth, that's why we are feeling it as a day, experiencing it as a day, okay. In America, the same time, in American people, they doesn't have sunlight. Why? Because the sun is in this side, okay. Our earth has two phases ma. If India is existing this part, America is existing this, exactly opposite. If we are getting sunlight here, they doesn't get any sunlight, okay. If you are getting day, they are getting night, okay. This is earth, okay. This is India, this is America. If we are getting sunlight here, okay, we will feel like a daytime. Then when we are getting sunlight here, the American will not get any sunlight here. Why? Because whatever the sunlight is there falling on one side of the earth only, okay. The remaining side will be dark. The dark is nothing but a night, that the other part of the earth the people is going to experience night. Okay, is it clear, my everyone? Okay, next, the earth is like a ball. In this picture you can see that the shape of the earth is like that of the moon. Bring some globes to the classrooms. Ensure that each group of 5 to 6 students has a globe. A globe is a model of the earth. It shows the shape of the earth, the land and water, the continents and oceans, and the countries of the world. You can see that the earth is like a ball, spherical in shape. How do you think people stand on it? Place some standing toy people on different parts of the globe. It may seem that the person at the lower part is standing upside down, or that the person in the middle might just fall from the earth. We never fall off the earth because the earth acts like a powerful magnet which pulls up towards it. In fact, we can only fall on earth but never off the earth. Children, don't confuse. The earth is there here. The earth is in the shape of spherical shape. Okay, the earth is in the shape of spherical. Okay, the spherical shape earth, we are having different types of continents, different types of oceans, different types of countries. Whatever the India is having the shape, that not Bangladesh is having that. Whatever the Russia is having the shape, that not China is having that. Okay, every country has its own shape and own tradition. Okay, we know that. Whatever the shape America is having that, not like Japan. The Japan is having a different shape and America is also having the different shape. No country is same in shape all over the world. Okay, and we are having different types of oceans. Whatever the size of the one ocean is, for example, Indian ocean size is 1 lakh square kilometers. Okay, size of the ocean. But coming to the Atlantic Ocean is 3 lakh square kilometers. It means every ocean is not same in water body length. Okay, and also the every continent and every country is not same in the shape and their physical area. Physical area is nothing but land mass. Okay, land area, don't confuse. Okay, children, one more important thing, the globe is we are having, sorry, we are having globe here. Okay, I will ask one thing. One person is standing here. Okay, another person is standing here. What are the person who is standing here, they are standing like this, and whenever the person is standing here, whether he is going to fall down or not, I'm asking that. If I'm standing here, I'm going to fall from the earth or not? Why? Because here upside, here downside. If I'm standing here, I'm going to fall down or not? Answer, anyone? Children, the answer is no, children. Why? Because the earth as in spherical shape and the earth as a magnetic gravity. Okay, we know very well about magnet, how magnet is working. That whenever we are having magnet in your hands, okay, whenever you are showing that magnet into any iron particle, that iron particle is going to attracted by the magnet. Okay, that's the same thing. The earth is like a magnet, we are the iron particles. Okay, assume that we are the iron particles. Okay, when we are standing here or here or here or here, anywhere on earth, we are not going to fall down from earth. Okay, why? Because earth as having some gravity, magnetic gravity. Okay, ma, earth has some diameter, north pole, south pole, latitudes, longitudes, and what are these longitudes and latitudes we are going to learn from next class onwards. Okay, next lesson. Okay, up to now, whenever we are standing this side of earth, or whenever we are standing this side of earth, we are not going to fall down, ma. Okay, you will think that when the person is standing on earth, the person is not going to fall down, but whenever the person is standing here, that person is going to fall down. You are assuming like that. Okay, don't confuse like that. No person is going to fall down from earth. Okay, why? Because if you are standing anywhere on earth, we are protected by the earth surface area with the help of magnetic gravity. Okay, earth has some gravity, ma, like the relation between magnet and iron. Okay, how iron is attracted by the magnet ma? The same like here earth is a magnet and we are the iron particles. Like that the earth is attracting us. For example, when you observe that if you are throwing anything up, a small stone or small any box or any chalk piece, if when we are throwing upside, after going certain height, that is going to fall down again on earth only. Why? Because I just now told you that earth has some gravity. I will draw one table here. For example, here Pranita is there. Okay, Pranita is standing here. Okay, she thrown one chalk piece here. After going certain height, the chalk piece again that is falling on the particular earth only. I mean, it means falling a particular place only. Why? Because earth has some gravity. Okay, for example, Bhavani is standing here. Okay, Bhavani is standing here. Okay, she thrown one small stone here. Okay, after going certain height, that is going to fall again on earth only. Okay, why? Because I just now told you that earth has a magnetic gravity. Okay, it means like magnet type, gravity is having the earth. Okay, like magnet and iron relation. Okay, whatever the iron, for example, we are having small magnet piece. Okay, we are having some iron particles. Okay, up to here there is no attraction by the magnet. When these particles, iron particles are coming here, okay, this magnet is going to attracting. Okay, this magnet is going to attracting those iron pieces. These pieces is attracted by the magnet. Okay, children, it is clear ma everyone? Earth as a gravity. Earth is having a gravity. Okay ma, don't confuse that. The same thing here told that we never fall off the earth because the earth acts like a powerful magnet which pulls us towards it. Okay, in fact we can only fall on earth but never off the earth. Children, off the earth and on the earth is nothing but, on earth is nothing but we are fell down on earth only. Off the earth means we are not going beyond the earth. For example, if you are standing here, if you are throwing anything upside, again is going to fall on earth only. But this is not going far from earth. Okay, it is not going from earth to another moon. Okay, that is again, if any how much height you are throwing, again after traveling some distance, particular distance, this again is going to fell down on the earth only. Okay, but otherwise don't assume that this thing is going to another planet, this thing is going to another space. Don't think like that. Okay, whatever the particle you are throwing from earth, okay, that again going to come to earth only. Okay ma, that thing. I think it is okay. Today class it is very enough to you. I think you have understood some part. Okay, if you are having any doubts, please reply me through WhatsApp between 9 o'clock and 6 o'clock only. Morning 9 o'clock onwards to evening 6 o'clock. Don't call or don't message me after 6 ma. Okay, thank you, I'm leaving. Bye bye.